Greetings, people. This is Bekos, or actually, I'm going to be changing my name a little bit. I'm going to be Canicus now. I've taken on the role of a character known as Hyper Lizard, and that's originally where I had Bekos, which means, hyper or annoying. And, however, after a couple of days, I no longer like the name, and I've decided to turn to Canicus. And as such, I will be changing my YouTube channel, and the link will be in the description. And basically, it's Canicus Lizardrake, and I'll be doing the same thing. All the same videos will be there. I'm just changing the name. That's it. I'm just changing the name. Something a little more interesting. I'm probably going to stick with it for a while now that I've gotten into this. So I want to have something that I actually like. And Bekos, I don't really care for. So I changed that to his middle name. And so now it is Canicus Bekos Lizardrake. Canicus, of course, meaning born of fire, and Bekos meaning hyper or annoying, and or mischievous even. Yeah, so that's about it. That's the only reason this video is here. Just to introduce my new name. The character's going to stay the same, the videos will stay the same. Obviously, I've only made 2 so far. This is my 3rd, so there's not a big, huge deal about it. Yeah, anyways, that is all. Good day.